Okay, so what's up, guys? How is you guys the days going so far? If it's good, then leave a like or subscribe, whatever you want to do. So today I'm gonna be recording how my keyboard sounds and how my mouse sounds, and also this is just how my keyboard light is, and then this how my uh, mouse light is. There's like different modes to it. Like this mode is like it's kind of, I don't know what that mode is, but then it's like I press a button, then it just kind of changes color again. Press it again, and it does that. I'm pretty sure there's like a few more on there. Then you see that it is new. Then another one. It just does that. I'm pretty sure if I press it, yep, that one more time, it just off. And yep. Okay, but also this is how my mouse sounds. Then the scroll wheel. And then this is just the design of it. Then if you look at the back, it kind of has that thing. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to take that sticker off, but I don't know. I'm keeping it on there. Now for the keyboard. So the keyboard, the lighting is already there. I'm pretty sure there's a way I can change it, but I just forgot the controls for it. So this is how it looks. It's like, then if you look at that key, if you look at the key next to F1, it has like a little wolf symbol or whatever that is. Then this is how it sounds. Now, time for the letters. Then I'm gonna kind of do these extra keys. And yeah, that's how it sounds. Then, if you look over here, this is how the mousepad looks. Honestly, when I first got it, the first thing I wished for was the mousepad to be a little bit bigger. But I've managed to play with it. And like, if you look here, if it's in blurry, it says ZU Lang, whatever that means. Then it has like the same kind of thing on the keyboard, just with red. I don't know if it's a wolf or not, but yeah. And then like, kind of the rest of it is kind of like, the theme with this mouse is kind of like a black, red, and orange. Cause on there, black, red, orange, white. Cause on the wolf is like the white teeth and like the white eyes. Then if a little bit there's like orange, like a bright orange, whatever that is. But also yeah. So whenever I want to play Fortnite on my PS4, yes, I still play on PS4, but I just kind of use my gaming setup, or this is based on my gaming setup right now. TV, keyboard, mouse, and mousepad, controller with the PS4 Pro. Yeah, I just kind of, if I wanted to play Minecraft, I can, but I don't really play Minecraft that much. So yeah, I just kind of play Fortnite, and I'm actually kind of cracked. So see ya.